How to upload resume on LinkedIn. Let's get started. Launch your LinkedIn app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you can find your profile icon. Tap on it. With that, you will find different options. Head towards the option of settings. Open it. Now go to the option data privacy. Open it. Scroll down. Over here, you will find different section. Under job seeking preferences, you will find the option of job application settings. You have to open this option. Now here you're gonna find this option of upload resume. You have to tap on this option. With that, your file's application will open up, and from there you can easily select the resume of yours that you want to upload in your LinkedIn account. And you can see that I just uploaded my resume on LinkedIn account. Applying the same process, you are able to upload multiple resume on your LinkedIn account. This was all for this video. This is how you can easily upload resume on LinkedIn. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.